Hi. It's probably really hard to see because of the sun behind me, but I thought I would show you the versatility of the Thieves Household Cleaner. I finally am feeling better. I was sick my whole vacation, and I thought I would come out and do a little spring cleaning, so I'm working on my windows. I'm going to try to flip my camera here in a little bit. You can see my little workstation. I got all my little accoutrements and my tools so I can clean my window without them falling below and getting lodged in the horse head skull um, in my backyard, which is probably a story for another day. So there's my window, my super wonderful window that my husband knocked a hole in the wall. Window, hello, and more light in my home. So I'm cleaning it with my Thieves Household Cleaner, which is part of, hey, that's kind of a nice shot, the Spring Clean Challenge. We're going to be using our Thieves Household Cleaner all month, and the dish soap. So I thought I would come on here and see if I could film me doing some spring cleaning. I love my household cleaner. It is probably the most economical tool that I have for cleaning in my home. It's toxic free. It's tough on any situation, whether it's grease in my sink or dried on bird poo on my windows. I really look like I have been sick. Anyway, Thieves Household Cleaner. It's a bargain. Pick yourself up some. Bye.